Maintain fiscal year variant. This is basically uh, for maintaining your fiscal year, which can be from July to June, January, December, April to March. And this is attached with the company code. And this is important for integration between costing module also. Let's see. Okay. Now, fiscal year variant, we have various variants, April to March, April to March. What we'll use is, we'll use K4, January, December, 12 periods. This is calendar year, and 4 special periods for year-end adjustments. Okay, 13 to 16 are special months for adjustments. So we'll add these variants to your company code. And our company code was IMCO K4, January, December, save. Okay, this is added. Next is posting periods variants. That is the next step. Okay. Posting periods, define variants. We will have ZAP 9, which is already made. So we'll copy it and, sorry, new entries, IMCO, posting period variant, IMCO, sign variant, IMCO, now this is posting period variant, and we will see what are the contents. Open and close, posting periods, maintain all, ZAP 9, and I will select it, Control Y, ZAP 9, Control C, new entries, Control V, Control Y. I will delete this, IMCO, copy, enter. Now for this, we have posting periods from period 1 of 25 to 12 period 25, and special periods are 13 to 16. For assets, customers, vendors, material, GL. Plus is for all from A to S. Save. This is also done. Account groups, next important step. We will go for general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, edit chart of accounts list, and new entries, IMCO, charts of accounts. So what are chart of accounts? Group of accounts. Okay, length 10. And if you have a group chart of accounts for group reporting, then we will also maintain it over here. Save. Save. sign, company code. So everything is attached with company code. I am CEO and chart of accounts. I am CEO. Save. Define account group. Now this is very important. So I'll use our template and Control Y, Control C, because this will save me time, because this is the account group we need for our journal entries. Okay. Define account group, new entries, chart of accounts is I am CEO, Control V, save. Now this is part of your company code now. Define retained earnings account, next important step. Now you have a chart of accounts already made. Statement symbol X, 100, 100. It will give you a warning in orange, just press enter. It will go away, save, and save. Okay. Next is /n front end and finsc underscore ledger. Now, SAP has main one ledger where all entries are reflected and posted to one principal ledger that is called leading ledger. And that is defined by SAP as 0L symbol. 0L is the leading ledger across the whole landscape. And we will add currency settings. Okay, 0L is the leading ledger and company code settings. Over here, we will look for IMCO. IMCO, double click. So posting periods variants, IMCO, fiscal year variant is also assigned. Gap is accounting principle, functional currency will be 10. Okay. Parallel accounting. Then we will have some currency conversion settings. Our currency conversion settings will be that we want multiple currency for reporting. We have right now dirham, and we will add GBP and USD. Okay. IMCO, Y1 currency will be GBP. Source currency type will be document currency, that will see. Exchange rate type will be M. Now, these are some necessary steps that you will understand when we start doing entries. Enter. Reporting currency, that will be. So we have now two currencies. Okay. Ledger, 0L, company code settings, back. Refund Medicos, the one we entered, Y1, enter. That is freely defined currency 1. Okay. This will be GBP, this is dirham. Now we will add a global currency on a global company level. Global will mean that your reporting will be done in that currency. Save it. It is saved. Next is, now this is the org structure. Company codes will be multiple. We will have multiple plants reporting to the company codes, and controlling area is the top node where all company codes report to. And then we have operating concern. Okay, that is the topmost level attached with the mother company. So operating concern, controlling area, company code, and plant. This is how the org structure is made. Okay. Data was saved. SPRO. Controlling. General controlling. Organization. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Over here, new entries. This is the important step. Controlling area equal to company code, IMCO, and it will pull all the data. Over here, we will change it to 30. USD, enter. Cross company code cost accounting. Standard hierarchy will be IMCO. INT is the financial statement version for balance sheet and profit and loss accounts. Double click, activate components. It will ask for the standard hierarchy to be made. Yes. New entries. 2025. Cost centers will be active. Order management active. Sales order cost objects will be active. Then we will have variances, assignment of company codes, new entries, IMCO, advanced medicos, save. Currency is added along with other currencies that we added today. That is 10, Y1, and 30. Okay, this is what we have actually done in this step. This is the component that is active, and we have already added our currencies. Okay, now we'll maintain versions. Okay, this is done. For controlling organization maintain versions, we'll maintain the version also. And the next step, okay. Maintain versions. This is important step again. Okay. In SAP, we have versions for reporting. Right now, we'll not go into much details, but we will just set up our settings for controlling area. Right now, controlling area is LAP9. I will change it to IMCO / OOKKS. IMCO. Continue. Okay, it is set. I'll have to re-enter this transaction again. Maintain versions. Zero controlling area settings. IMCO. Zero settings for each fiscal year. Integrated planning. Save. And it will run in the background. Yes. LP01, this is the default standard printer for SAP. Continue. Execute. Okay. IMCO. It's finished. Now, next step is maintain number ranges. So SPRO. Controlling. General controlling. Organization. Maintain number ranges. IMCO. Intervals. Change groups. Okay. We have these transactions for company code. Create a group. Zero 09. IMCO CO docs. Save. Over here, we will look for transaction COIN. Control F. Coin. Now what is this? CO through postings from FI. Assign element to group, and we have our group 09. So whenever CO entry will be made through FI, it will get this document number from this range. Save. Have been saved. RKU1, RKU3. RKU1. RKU3. And we are done. Okay. Okay. Mapping. Changes have been
in progress.
maintain versions have been made. Okay. New entries. IMCO is the CO area. Version 00L will be the leading ledger. Save it. Okay. Save the configuration. So let's stop for today.